Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn and Suites Atoka-Millington. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. The Comfort Inn and Suites in Atoka-Millington. The Comfort Inn and Suites Hotel provides easy access to a number of local attractions. Atoka Raceway Park and the Tipton County Museum are near this hotel. Downtown Memphis, Tennessee and its many attractions, including the National Civil Rights Museum, Munford City Park, the Atoka City Park, the Children's Museum of Memphis and the Memphis Zoo are in close proximity. This Atoka-Millington hotel provides amenities like free coffee, free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, seasonal outdoor pool, a fitness center, a computer with internet access in the lobby, as well as copy and fax services. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. All rooms have microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, flat-screen televisions, curved shower rods, hair dryers, spacious work desks, irons, ironing boards, voicemail and cable television. Ask about our rooms that have sofa sleepers. Non-smoking and connecting rooms can be requested. This is a pet-friendly hotel, fees apply. On-site laundry facilities are available. Ample free parking is provided and can accommodate most cars, trucks or buses. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.